If you want to play Roblox games with friends on different devices like PC, mobile, Xbox, or tablet, the good news is Roblox supports cross-platform play. You just need the right setup. Let's walk through it. And quick heads up, if this helps, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss Roblox tips like this. First, make sure everyone is friends on Roblox. Go to the person's profile and send a friend request. Once it's accepted, playing together becomes much easier. Next, one of you should join the game first. After they're inside the server, the other player can go to their friend's profile and press join game. This usually places you in the same server automatically. Roblox supports cross-platform play, so it works between PC, mobile, tablet, and Xbox in most experiences. As long as the game itself allows cross-play, you can join each other without any extra setup. If the join button doesn't appear, check privacy settings. Go to settings, arrow privacy, and make sure who can join me is set to friends or everyone. If it's set to no one, people won't be able to join your game. If the server fills up, try joining through the servers tab or wait for a slot to open. Another option is creating a private server if the game supports it. Pro tip, use Roblox party or voice chat features to coordinate joining at the same time. Entering the server together increases the chance of landing in the same lobby. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with what devices you and your friend are using and I'll help you get it working.